Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Swapna here. Hope you all are doing well. Firstly, thanks a lot for all the appreciation for my previous coffee painting videos. So I'm really excited about this particular video. In this tutorial, I'll be sharing you the step-by-step techniques to create a realistic eye using just instant coffee. For this, I've used brew instant coffee and I'll be painting on this 300 GSM watercolor paper. I've drawn an outline of the eye using a pencil, and this is how I'm mixing the coffee. If you're new to coffee painting, I would definitely recommend you to watch few of my previous coffee painting videos where you will get an idea about mixing the coffee in right consistency and various ratios to get various shades of brown. Before starting the painting, I've already secured the borders of the paper using this washi tape. Now with a very diluted coffee, I'm giving this first wash. For this painting, I'm using a size 10 and size 2 round brushes. In this painting, we'll be using both wet on wet and wet on dry techniques. To add some more shades, I'm adding another layer on this wet first layer. Next step is to add details on this iris portion. I'm using a thicker consistency of coffee, and on this wet first layer I'm adding strokes like this. While drawing the iris itself, you have to keep in mind that you won't be drawing a full circle because a part of it will always be covered with the eyelid. Also, while adding the shades, you have to leave a portion for the reflection of light. Throughout the borders of this iris, I am aiming to get a really dark brown. As I am applying the dark borders, I am trying to blend it with these strokes inside the iris. And also now it's better to work on dry layers so that the layers won't get mixed and the color, that is the dark brown, would pop up really well. I am wiping off the stain from this portion to get a lighter shade to add the light reflection. I'll add another layer of darker brown shade. I'm also adding this darker shade inside the pupil. On this portion where we have kept a lighter background, I'm adding really dark strokes. You can blend and add more details according to your preference. And once you are satisfied, make sure that you don't overdo it. Now I'll come to the outline of this eye. I'll apply a darker outline and will slightly blend it inwards. You can notice how I'm blending. I'm just adding a touch of water so that it will blend naturally. And also you can notice that I'm leaving that light portion as it is without adding any shade. In this front portion also I'll add the same shade, and also on this tip I'll add darker details. And in this portion I am adding few rough strokes as reflection. Now I'll work on this eyelid portion. I'll first wet this outline and will add a dark stroke of coffee. With this really thin size 0 round brush, I am adding these eyelashes. For that I am using the thick consistency coffee. For this eyelashes, most of the strokes can be in one direction, but in between you can add few strokes in the opposite direction as well. You can add few eyelashes downwards as well. This will give a really beautiful natural finish. In the bottom portion, the eyelashes won't be really thick. And in this portion of reflection, you can add some details as the reflection of eyelashes. Now I am adding the final details like adjusting the shades. And also I am adding some details to this portion of the iris. I am adding yet another thick layer of coffee inside the pupil. And in this portion I'm using the bottom of my brush to scrape off a bit of coffee to get a touch of reflection. This is how our end result is looking, and I'm so happy with this monochromatic realistic looking eye. Once these layers of coffee is thoroughly dried, I'll remove these washi tapes on the borders. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed painting this. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And if you're new here, please consider joining the small creative family by pressing that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get all the notifications once I upload interesting arts and crafts videos. Thank you.